ElectraCast.
Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for this day.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for June 10th, 2025.
NASA is advancing preparations for the Artemis 3 mission. Keith Barr, a chief engineer at Johnson Space Center, is leading the development of docking light detection and ranging systems for the Orion spacecraft. These systems will allow Orion to autonomously dock with the Human Landing System in lunar orbit. Barr, who has worked at Lockheed Martin for more than 25 years, created a drone-based testing platform and conducted real-world trials in Colorado and California. He was recognized as a 2025 NASA Spaceflight Awareness honoree. NASA's Spacesuit User Interface Technologies for Students Challenge is engaging university and graduate students in designing augmented reality displays for astronaut helmets. These displays are intended to help with navigation, task tracking, and data visualization during moon missions. Former participants now work at Johnson Space Center and mentor new teams. The next proposal round opens in August 2025. NASA tested specialized tools on 2 F-15 jets over the Mojave Desert to prepare for the X-59 quiet supersonic aircraft. The jets carried a shockwave sensor, a high-speed photography system that captures changes in air density, and a navigation system for precision alignment. The tests confirm that all instruments are ready for use with the X-59 to study sonic thumps. The International Space Station crew is preparing for the arrival of Axiom Mission 4. The private crew, led by former NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson, includes astronauts from India, Poland, and Hungary. Launch was delayed due to a liquid oxygen leak in the Falcon 9 rocket. While awaiting launch, crew members on the space station conducted eye exams, maintained robotic arms in spacesuits, serviced hygiene systems, and performed science experiments. Ernesto Garcia, an engineering manager at Rafelson Scientific in San Diego, is responsible for fabricating Orion spacecraft window panes. The process includes shaping, polishing, edge strengthening, and pressure testing to ensure the windows can survive space conditions. Garcia finds personal fulfillment in supporting the Artemis missions. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope captured a direct image of the planet 14 Hercules C, located 60 light-years from Earth. The planet has a mass 7 times that of Jupiter, a temperature near 26 degrees Fahrenheit, and an elliptical orbit. It is part of a misaligned planetary system, suggesting a turbulent formation history. NASA's CODEX instrument aboard the International Space Station captured the first temperature and speed measurements of the Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona. The data shows the solar wind consists of gusty, uneven flows of hot plasma. This information helps scientists understand solar activity and space weather. NASA's Punch mission released its first images of coronal mass ejections, showing massive solar eruptions moving through the inner solar system. The mission uses 4 satellites to study the 3-dimensional structure of space weather and its effects on Earth. NASA also highlighted astronaut Franklin Chang Diaz, who conducted a spacewalk in 2002 during the STS-111 mission. He was the first Hispanic American to fly in space and part of NASA's 9th astronaut class. Those were the key activities from NASA on June 10th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
I'm Iris, host of Or Whatever Movies and the forthcoming Powers of Darkness podcast. For the better part of a decade, we've been unraveling a literary mystery that begins with a strange version of Dracula. Yes, that Dracula. It's a different story, imbued with a potentially insidious agenda. What we've already found so far reshapes what we thought we knew, but the investigation isn't over. Support our efforts to finish what we've started and bring the full story to light. Go now to Kickstarter.com and search up Powers of Darkness to learn more. Coming soon on ElectraCast, wherever you listen to podcasts.
ElectraCast.